Incredible powerful harvesters that has a large transfer capacity and strong engine power are employed to harvest a variety of cereals and crops in large quantity. Check out the 10 biggest combine harvesters on Earth. 10. Sampo Rosenlu Comia C242 Roto. This enormous combine harvester was constructed on Finnish soil. This machine has a 10,000-liter capacity with greater uptime and a 9,000-liter capacity. The harvester features 2 rotors spinning in opposition and a large separating surface. When the grain loss monitor, cutting header height, speed, and warning lights are all visible at once, monitoring the threshing process is very simple. The widest header features a feeding screw with a chain drive and is 6.9 meters in width. A sturdy front axle with disc brakes and terminal drives that permits the use of broad tires. Both the straw walker bottoms and the grain pen parts may be detached. The discharging height is 4.4 meters, and the discharging speed is an astounding 100 meters per second. 9. DEUTZ-FAHR C9306TS. On our 9th list is also the largest combined harvester produced in Germany. For superior rear suspension and durability, the high-performance cutter bars are comprised of a single component, enhancing lifetime and performance, regardless of cutting width. 5.40 m to 9.00 m is the range of standard widths. A sizable hole in the feeder channel makes it simpler to repair the channels inside. The C9306 variant is driven by a 381 HP Mercedes-Benz engine. 10,500 liters are the grain hopper's capacity, which is 2,774 gallons. 8. ROSTSELMASH-TORUM 785. The ROSTSELMASH is another largest and most powerful harvesters built in Russia. All conventional grain crops, including spiking cereals, legumes, oil crops, cereal, and arable crops, are intended for harvesting with this machine. The rotor, which is 3,200 millimeters in length and 762 millimeters in diameter, offers 360-degree threshing and separating area, with a surface area of up to 5.4 square meters. Its luxury cab has a window area of more than 5 square meters, a capacity of 4 meters, and a width of more than 2 meters. To effectively handle 12-row corn headers, the power to the header drive was virtually quadrupled. Features an enormous rotor with a 76 centimeters diameter. 7. AGCO GLEANER S98. The AGCO GLEANER S98 hit 7th place on our list. The American group AGCO builds an ideal stunning harvester. The design of the model is unique. GLEANER threshers use a rotor that is positioned transversely rather than in the direction of motion. However, there is a downside. Due to the breadth of the combine, it cannot be used on European highways. An AGCO power engine with 478 horsepower powers the GLEANER S89. 13,700 liters are the total capacity of the grain hopper, 3,619 gallons. 6. New Holland CR 10.90. On our next list is the world's highest capacity combine harvester built in the United States. A global record was set in 2014 by the top model of the New Holland firm, the CR 10.90, which harvested over 797 tons, 1,757,084 pounds of wheat in 8 hours, or 99 tons, 198,000 pounds. The CR 10.90 type has 2 rotors with a 56 centimeters threshing diameter, which is 22.04 in. The grain hopper of this harvester has a capacity of 14,500 liters, 3,830 gallons. A 16-liter in, 16-cylinder, FPT engine with 700 HP powers. In actual use, the system reached a maximum capacity of 4,960 bushels per hour, which is an amazing accomplishment. 5. Case IH Axial Flow 9250. The combine harvester is manufactured and developed in Nebraska, USA. The 550 horsepower at 2,100 engine RPM, axial flow 9,250 combine has a 410 bushel tank. To manage challenging field conditions and significant loads, it offers maximum power. Case IH was among the first manufacturers to bring the rotary threshing technique to Germany. Unlike the combines produced by its company, New Holland, the Case IH AF 9250 only has a single, substantial rotor, with a diameter of 76 centimeters, 29.92 in. A 625 horsepower 16-liter, 16-cylinder engine. The foldable grain hopper has a capacity of approximately 14,500 liters, 3,830 gallons. 4. John Deere X9 1100. All previous performance standards have been surpassed by John Deere with the X9 combine harvester. 18-ton, 3,600 pounds, truck may be threshed at a rate of 100 tons, 200,000 pounds each hour. According to the manufacturer, the volume of the grain hopper is 16,200 liters for 1,279 gallons. The truck can receive 186 liters, 49 gallons, per second from the transfer line. This is the biggest combine harvester John Deere has ever produced. Furthermore, the combination produced the largest fingerboard, the biggest yield, and the most advanced technology. 3. Fendt Ideal 10T. The Fendt Ideal 10T, the next on our list, is a strong combine harvester that excels at cropping in all weather situations thanks to an amazing threshing system. A manned 16.2L engine with a maximum output of 790 horsepower powers the agricultural tractor. Its cleaning technique has 4 separate portions and a concave surface that is up to 4.54 square meters, making it incredibly effective. The steering lock angle and speed of the vehicle influence how the joystick responds and is controlled. A turbocharger with a variable turbine shape is attached to the powerful 6-cylinder engine. 2. CLAAS LEXION 8900. The CLAAS LEXION 8900 is the most efficient and high-capacity combination available. In addition, it is among the most fuel-efficient, harvesting at a pace of 94 tons per hour, while using only 0.95 liters of gasoline each ton. The CLAAS developed a hybrid threshing system that combines a sizable threshing drum with 2 separator rotors. The CLAAS LEXION 8900 is the largest model, with a grain hopper that holds 18,000 liters, 47,550 gallons. Powered by a 6-cylinder, 16-liter MAN engine, the Combi has 790 horsepower. The largest model, with an empty weight of more than 22 tons. 1. TRIBINE T1000. In addition to being the biggest combine harvester in the world, the TRIBINE T1000 is also a very unique harvester. The inventors of the American company, TRIBINE, created this combine harvester with a rotor, articulated joint, and rear steering wheels in place of the usual design. The vehicle's 2 Cummins engines, one in the front and one in the back, both with 650 horsepower, are yet another intriguing feature. The largest grain hopper can hold 35,200 liters, 9,298 gallons, and the unloading speed is unprecedented, almost 300 L, 79 gallons, per second. Due to its 4.44 m 14, 56 feet, transport width, and 25 tons, 50,000 pounds, weight, the TRIBINE T1000 won't be seen on European fields. If you find this video useful, make sure to comment below, hit the subscription button, and click on the screen to watch our cool videos.